What if there was a way to increase your profits by up to 200% with one simple trick? Would you be interested? I'm sure you would. Let me tell you about a local business owner called Fred. Fred really struggled with his business because he wasn't making the amount of sales he thought he would. He was really in a bad place, and he was worried and concerned about failing his business and losing all that hard-earned cash that he had saved up. And that was all until he found the solution that he was looking for. And that solution was online video marketing. Video is the future of business, and it's been proven to increase sales and conversions for your business in a dramatic way. In fact, case studies have shown that on average, you can expect a 30% increase in new customers in business when using video. And with that in mind, Fred decided to start using video, and he implemented it immediately. And to his amazement, he began to attract new customers and leads instantly into his business with video. So I ask you, do you want to see more sales in your business? Well, all you got to do is simply get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to help you plan out your next video. So get in touch and start increasing your business today.